Have you ever pondered what it would be like if your household chores could be accomplished without lifting a finger? Or perhaps imagined having a companion at home that's always ready to lend an ear or even a helping hand? Welcome to the future of household chores and companionship. In the past, household chores were a staple of daily life. Sweeping, mopping, cooking, washing dishes, laundry. These were tasks that demanded time, effort, and attention. Traditional methods of doing chores were hands-on, requiring physical effort and often a significant chunk of your day. Then came the era of home appliances. Washing machines, dishwashers, vacuum cleaners. These devices eased the burden of household chores considerably. Yet, they still required human intervention. Someone had to load the washing machine or dishwasher. Someone had to maneuver the vacuum cleaner. Enter the age of AI-powered robots. These advanced home robots are equipped with artificial intelligence capabilities, designed to assist with various household tasks, from cleaning and organizing to even providing companionship. Unlike traditional methods, these robots are autonomous. They can navigate around your home, identify tasks that need to be done, and execute them without any human intervention. Scrubbing floors, organizing rooms, even folding laundry. These robots can handle them all. And it's not just about chores. Some of these robots are also designed to provide companionship. They can engage in conversations, remind you of important events, even play games with you. They can learn from their interactions with you, adapting their behavior and responses to better suit your needs and preferences. But it's not all rosy. There are also challenges and limitations with AI-powered robots. They can be expensive and require regular maintenance. They can face difficulties dealing with complex tasks or unexpected situations. And there are concerns over privacy and security, as these robots often need to collect and process personal data to function effectively. Yet, despite these challenges, the potential of AI-powered robots is undeniable. They represent a significant advancement over traditional methods of doing household chores and provide a glimpse into the future of home living. In summary, while traditional methods of doing household chores are hands-on and time-consuming, AI-powered robots offer a more autonomous and efficient alternative. They can handle a wide range of tasks, learn from their interactions, and even provide companionship. However, they also have their limitations and challenges, including cost, maintenance, complexity of tasks, and privacy concerns. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how these robots evolve and how they will shape the future of household chores and companionship. Will they become a common sight in homes around the world? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the future of household chores and companionship is here, and it's AI-powered.